worthy of the lifting of our hands. Why not lift those hands to Him this evening? You are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised, my Redeemer. You are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised, my Redeemer. You are worthy. You are worthy, Lord God. You are. Come on. Don't just look at me. Raise your hands to God this evening and tell Him you are worthy to be praised for the miracles, for the signs and wonders that will be happening here today. You are worthy, Lord. Hey, Amanda Chiba Bangosai. You are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be my Redeemer. You are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to. Come on, it's your moment. Sing to God. You are my Redeemer. You are worthy. Woo! And worthy is your name, Jesus. Come on, say you deserve the praise.
You deserve the praise. Worthy is your name.
Worthy is your name.
Worthy is your name, Jesus.
You deserve all praise.
You deserve the praise.
And worthy is your name.
Worthy is your name.
And the angels cry. And all creation, they bow at your feet in adoration. And I'm Jesus, you believed it. You are holy forever. Hey, and I'm hey, all the angels, they cry out, holy, holy, holy Lord God, holy Lord God, holy Lord God. All creation, we bow at your feet. Yes, you were lifted high. You are holy forever. Your name, your name, your name, your name is the highest. It's the highest. Your name is the greatest. Your name stand above them, stand above them all. All throne and dominion and the power and the your name stand above them all.
Can you say, Father, thank you?